AED for children. An AED can be used on children and should be used as early as possible, but should not interfere with CPR. The steps for using an AED on a child are the same as those in an adult. Check the AED when it arrives on the scene. If the child is younger than 8 years, pediatric pads should be used. Standard adult pads may be used if pediatric pads are not available. If using standard pads, do not let the pads overlap each other. You may need to put one of the pads on the child's back if the child is small. Some AEDs have a switch that can be set to deliver a pediatric shock. If available, turn this switch on when using for children younger than 8 years or less than 55 pounds, 25 kilograms. If the AED cannot deliver a pediatric shock, an adult shock should be given. Be sure to start CPR. To use an AED on a child, do the following. Turn the power on. Expose the chest. Apply pads on the child. Ensure that the pads do not touch. Connect the pads. Clear the child so no one is touching the child. Analyze the rhythm. Follow the prompts. Shock advised, no shock advised, check connection. Resume CPR with compressions.